This is the Fatworks Pure Tallow. It's organic cooking oil, 14-ounce jar, glass jar here. It's very important to have it in glass. They do have a lot of variations of these tallows, and this brand is probably my favorite. Picked up 2 of these. This is the second one right here. You would see this is what it looks like when you open it up right here, but this is what we liked about this one here. Look at the ingredient list right here. Organic, grass-fed, and grass-finished beef fat. That's it, nothing more, nothing less. You know exactly what you're getting here. Some of the other ones just have some crazy ingredients, things like that, but this one is all grass-fed and finished fat here. So definitely want to check this out. Fatworks is a really great brand. This is good for like keto, paleo, but why we decided to switch, we got rid of seed oils a long time ago. We do not use any seed oils of that vegetable oil, the grape seed, none of those. We either do avocado oil, olive oil, or now the tallow here. Why we switched to this is because we were using avocado oil for the most part. But sometimes when you heat the avocado oil up, it just leaves an interesting taste on the beef that you're cooking. This stuff just does an awesome job. It has a really high heat tolerance. We've been using this on the Blackstone with some ribeyes and just phenomenal. This made a big difference between the avocado oil and this. It was just excellent. This is a really nice way of using it here. Just a couple of spoons of it on the Blackstone just does a phenomenal job. So if you're looking for some tallow, absolutely check out this Fatworks brand, grass-fed, grass-finished beef. Highly recommend this.